Brilliant, Margaret. Thanks very much. Fair play to you. Whoa! Well, you're some audience. That's incredible altogether. Fair play to you. You even like the stuff from the north of Spain. It shows that you're connoisseurs. That's lovely. Well-travelled people here in Ennis. We were joined there by this young gentleman here on the concertina, all the way from Caherdavin in Limerick. Don't hold it against him. That's Killian King. Whoa! That's and Killian was helping us out there with some tunes from Galicia and Asturias. We have another guest about to join us. You'll have to give her an even bigger round of applause if you would. This is the amazing, beautiful, sensational Karen Casey. Thank you. Come on now, come on, Letty, come on. Quick.
Lady Mary Ann looking over the castle wall, and there she saw two bunny laddies playing at the ball. The youngest of them was the fairest of all. Her bunny boy is young, but he's growing old. Father, dearest father, you have done the abbey wrong to go and get me married to a lad who is so young. He'll be only 16 years and I am 21. My bunny boy is young, but he's growing old. Daughter, dearest daughter, I have done you around. Go and get you married to a lad who is so young. He will be a match for you when I am dead and gone. Your bunny boy is young, but he's growing old. Oh, well, father, dearest father, then I'll tell you what we'll do. Send my love to college for another year or two. And all around the college cap we bind the ribbons blue to let the ladies know that he's married home. For the young Charlie Cochran was the sprout of an oak, lying on your money and say it was his neck. The sun when it shone, it was all for his sake, and he will be the pride of the forest home. And the Lady Mary Ann was the flower among the dew, lying on your money and straight was her shoe. The longer she blossomed, though the sweeter she grew, the lily in the bud will be bonny your own. For the summer it is gone and the leaves they were green. Happy are the days that both you and I have seen. Far happier days, well I trust will come again. My bunny boy is young, but he's growing old. At the age of 16 years he was a married man. At the age of 17 the father of his son. And at the age of 18 o'er his grave the grass grew green. Who death had put an end to his growing